Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.8 from page number 69 of structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. What is the number of photons of light with a wavelength of 4000 picometer that provide 1 joule of energy? Okay, so in this question you have to tell the number of photons of light with wavelength 4000 picometer that will provide 1 joule of energy. Okay, so in this question we will apply unitary method over here, right? So for unitary method, first of all, we'll find the energy of one photon, right? So for this, you are having wavelength, right? So energy of one photon, we can find it by the formula h nu. Now here we are not having frequency, right? So we'll convert this formula in terms of wavelength. So it will be hc by lambda because nu equal to c by lambda, right? Now we are having the value of lambda, that is 4000 picometer, right? And c is velocity of light, 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and h is Planck's constant, 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second. You have to remember this value. Now in this question, if you see, the velocity of light is represented as meter per second, but wavelength is in picometer. First of all, we have to convert this picometer into meter, right? So I know that 1 picometer equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 meter. So it will be 4000 into 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, right? In bracket you can write over here 1 picometer equal to 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, right? Now we'll put the value in the relation. So energy of one photon, it is represented by E, right? And hc by lambda. H is Planck's constant, 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule second, into c, velocity of light, 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, divided by wavelength, that is 4000 into 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, right? We'll cancel the units first. So meter is cancelled with this meter, second with second inverse. Now the unit of energy is joule only. So when you'll multiply 6.626 with 3, your answer will be 19.88, right? Into, we'll compile the powers. So 10 raised to power minus 34 into 10 raised to power 8. Now this 10 raised to power minus 12 is negative in denominator. When I'll take this power in numerator, it will change its sign. So it will be 10 raised to power 12 divided by, now it is 4000 units. We are having joule only. If you see this 4000, it can be written as 4 into 1000, right? So if I want to convert this 1000 in terms of scientific notation, definitely it will be 10 raised to power 3, right? So I can put the value over here. So E equal to 19.88 into 10 raised to power minus 34 into 10 raised to power 8 into 10 raised to power 12 divided by 4 into 10 raised to power 3, right? When I'll take this 10 raised to power 3 in numerator, it will change its sign. So it will be 10 raised to power minus 3, right? So when you'll divide 19.88 with the 4, your answer will be 4.97, right? Now these powers, 10 raised to power minus 34 into 10 raised to power 8 into 10 raised to power 12. Now this 10 raised to power 3 will be 10 raised to power minus 3 and unit joule only. So these powers are in multiplication, so you can simply add them. So E equal to 4.97 into 10 raised to power minus 34 minus 3. I'll take powers with negative sign together and the other powers together, right? So 8 plus 12, right? So E equal to 4.97 into 10 raised to power minus 34 minus 3, it will be minus 37. 8 plus 12, that will be 20, right? So units, joule only. So when you will subtract 20 from 37, definitely answer will be 4.97 into 10 raised to power minus 17 joule. This is the energy of one photon. Now we'll apply unitary method over here. So you can write 4.97 into 10 raised to power minus 17 joule. Energy is provided by photons, or you can simply write it as photon equal to one photon, right? And 1 joule energy is provided by photons equal to, now here we are applying unitary method over here. So 1 photon divided by the first value on the left side, 4.97 into 10 raised to power minus 17 joule. The second value will be multiplied with it. So I'll cancel this joule with this. Now this 10 raised to power minus 17, when I'll take this value in numerator, it will be plus 17. So 1 into 10 raised to power 17 divided by 4.97. Okay, so units we are having photons only. So if you see the value 1 is less than 4.97. So what I'll do, I'll simply convert this value higher than the value in denominator, right? So this 10 raised to power 17 can be written as 10 raised to power 1 plus 16. If powers are in addition, that means these powers actually are in multiplication, right? So you can put the value over here. So 1 into 10 raised to power 1 means 10. Okay, so 1 into 10, that will be 10 into 10 raised to power 16 divided by 4.97, and the units we are having photons, right? So 10 divided by 4.97, your answer will be 2.01 into 10 raised to power 16 photons. In this question, 2.01 into 10 raised to power 16 photons are providing energy equal to 1 joule.